PNI radio stations have a complex battery-saving function that allows the battery life to be extended by over 50%. PNI R70 TR is equipped with such a function, and the spare battery can successfully replace the one included in the station package. The battery does not come charged from the factory. Please charge it before using the station. Only after repeating the charge-discharge cycle 2 to 3 times does the battery reach its maximum capacity. Battery charging time approximately 6 hours.